Hello everybody, Thursday evening, Spot Boy. I am Sangya. I am here to tell you about Force 2 by Abhinay Deo starring John Abraham and Sonakshi Sinha. John Abraham is coming on the silver screen after a long time, which is why I was really excited to go watch him. And of course, I had to tell you about the film, so here I am. This movie starts with mysterious killings of 3 Indian raw agents in China. Now, one of who was a very close friend of John Abraham and sends him a coded message before dying. Now, after it's decoded, it's revealed that there is a spy within the system and who can be traced to Budapest. Now, there is this undercover team which is put together, which consists of John and Sonakshi, who are sent to Hungary for investigation. Now, once they reach there, they find the person, which is Tahir Bhasin, and what follows is mind games, bullets, firing, chase, all of that. And meanwhile, there are other Indian raw agents also getting killed, and right before the interval, Tahir Bhasin is killed. Now, Sonakshi and John are absolutely clueless and of course realize that there is a bigger force behind this. So post the interval, Sonakshi and John are going to go look for their Supremo. So will they find their man or not? Is this movie worth your time or not? Has John come back with a bang or not? So let me tell you in the full review. So wait up for me. Hi everyone, welcome back to Spot Boy. I am Sangya and I just got done watching Force 2 by Abhinay Deo starring John Abraham and Sonakshi Sinha. I have to say it was such a pleasure watching John after such a long time on the silver screen. Now, as I told you in the mid-review, the movie starts with these mysterious killings of Indian raw agents in China, 3 of them, one of who is John's childhood friend. Now, John is carrying forward the character of a cop from the prequel Force, which was released in 2011. Now, infuriated, John decides to avenge his friend's murder and along with Sonakshi Sinha, who's another raw agent, goes to Hungary for investigation. And why he goes there is because his friend before dying left a coded message revealing that there is a spy within the system because of who all this is happening. Now, once they reach Budapest, they find the person, the traitor, who is Tahir Bhasin, who works in the Indian embassy. And what follows is obviously chase, bullets, firing, mind games, all of that. And right before the interval, Tahir is killed. Now, you might think that since he's killed, he's not the mastermind behind all of this, but that was just a charade, and this is revealed post the interval. Now, again, what follows post all of that is more chase, more firing, more fighting, and obviously at the end, John emerges victorious. Now, agar performance ki baat kari jaye, to John's acting, John's character, his demeanor has gone very well with the muscular image and of course the tough cop image that he has had to maintain. I was pleasantly surprised and also happy with his performance on screen and to see him after a long time on screen. Now, when it comes to Sonakshi Sinha, she's done nothing out of the ordinary for me, but Tahir Bhasin, it would not be wrong to say that he absolutely stole the show. Of course, the supporting cast also contributed really well. Now, direction-wise, Abhinay Deo has it was a fresh directorial stroke from him, and I have to say that he has very articulately played in terms of the pre-climax and climax with the subjective view shot, which is a very, very daring move. So congratulations on that. And overall, I would like to give this film 2 stars and say that it's definitely a one-time watch, and if you don't have problems with the 500 and 1000 denominations, you could go watch it twice as well. So until next Friday, this is Sangya Lakhanpal signing off.